That's
Then
fine.
we're going to the
Thank you.
we're to play Roblox, but we're not a baka player. I'm so bored.
May we request for a short message first from our legal spokesperson, Attorney J. Tolosa.
The login in Roblox.
So first, thank you so much for that very kind introduction.
I think.
Was Luis Chua. As we all know, impeachment is a pivotal constitutional proceeding. In fact, it's one of the most important accountability mechanisms for public officials under the Constitution. So as a trial lawyer, I found it to be a meaningful opportunity to place my experience in the service of that process. So for now, as mentioned by Bong Jinky, I will focus on acting as a spokesperson. But of course, the main spokespersons will still be Congressman Adyong and Ko. And main purpose, I guess, for me is since I will be actively participating in the trial as well, and I'll be inside the courtroom, if there are updates that I need to communicate to the public, and answer questions that you may have, I'll be available and provide that.
Oh my God, I love.
So I would like to clarify my earlier statement. Attorney J. Tolosa is not only a legal spokesperson. Soon he will be entering his appearance as well as one of the private prosecutors. So indeed, he will be participating actively in the trial. Thank you.
Okay, we may now open the table for questions. Please identify yourself and the panelists, you may want to address your
I love it, but
Gabriel Lalo
it's
from Inquirer. Just first question po, kasi nung weekend, over the weekend, yung mga pumayag na rumors na parang nagkala mo na ng buhay daw na parang ganun yung nangyari. Can you clarify po that, Chair?
That is not true. I charge it to fake news. And the people should become very cautious now in watching from the social media. We should be careful in deciphering what is correct and what is false. Of course, I am conscious that I am representing the interests of the sovereign Filipino people. Hindi po ako papayag na lamunin ng buhay ang laban ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
Can I also say something? It's normal, of course, for parties to claim that they got the upper hand. So, of course, anything that I would say about it could be viewed as bias. No? But so to address that, let's just stick to let's stick to the facts. No? Okay, when you say, I think the term that you use is
I love this. I love this too.
hello. Okay, sige. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, sige. No? So, as I was saying, anything that I'll say about it, in terms of who really got the upper hand, of course, that will be viewed as bias. So, to properly address that, let's stick to the facts. Okay, when you say, kinain, nagkala mo na, what does that mean? It means someone got an upper hand compared to the other. So, what happened? It's a pre-trial conference. So, in that context, to say that you got the upper hand, it should mean that you're able to get favorable rulings in the court. But that's impossible. Why? Because the clerk of the impeachment court cannot even make any rulings. So that's factually impossible. Now, but what I can say also factually is that we were able to secure or successfully achieve our goal what is that? To ensure that the pre-trial would proceed in an expeditious manner. Right at the start of the pre-trial
Okay,
conference,
so
there was an
they
attempt of the
play
defense
rules.
to raise an issue regarding the two-thirds threshold, so to pose this as something that must be resolved before pre-trial could commence. And that is something that was quickly shot down by Congressman Luis Tu. No? And in fact, as you know, we were able to complete already the markings of evidence for 2 articles of
I
impeachment.
think I will
And
kill
today,
you.
we're
No.
continuing with the 2 other articles of impeachment, which is one for confidential
Let's
funds
find for
and
others.
unexplained wealth, and we're hoping to finish that as soon as possible.
If I may add
Oh shoot,
also,
I need to hide this.
I think as this stage
Hi.
of this proceedings progress,
This
we can
the sheriff.
expect more
Oh
of
no,
that,
actually
more
we're in summer. Time
disinformation,
to
more
hide.
of fake news,
We're
more
hiding
of factual
okay.
distortions, spins of the real stories of the things that
Joking, I'm
happen
actually the sheriff.
as the proceedings
Trying to get
progress,
you.
lalo na pagdating natin sa trial proper. So we just have to be very circumspect and careful about perceiving things and our reporting. So this is
Let's do
more as a
another
submit,
one.
and we should be very
No,
careful
no,
about
no.
these things. Well, because this is a highly charged event, of course, of the
I
country.
think you're the murderer.
So
I'm
certain
not, but I'm
players
just gonna
might
hide
be
you.
doing
Or
things
maybe you're
that would again
not,
try to undermine,
because
especially
you're
the cause of the prosecution. Thank you.
Ma'am, second question po. Kanina po kasi bago mag-start yung pre-trial conference, nandun po yung mga
Joke,
lawyers
I'm
from
actually
both the
the
defense and the
murderer.
prosecution. Tapos
Sure, the
parang
murderer.
nakita sila na parang nagmimingil naman, nag-usap-usap. I know na normal ito, pero just to clarify po sa public, baka po kasi may mag-isip ng kung ano na parang bakit magkakasundo pala sila after all. Can you clarify po?
Well, all of us are lawyers. At least we must be cordial with each other because we belong to the
I'm
same legal
them, bro.
profession.
They just lied to me.
Nevertheless, of course, we are committed to our
Sorry, but
respective
that's another
causes.
good merch. Yeah.
The prosecution is here
They
to
play
prove its
another
case
game. Let's go.
in this impeachment trial.
They play.
While the defense is there in order to prove the innocence
Girl,
of the
I got
respondent.
it. Let's go.
That is what we meant by adversarial proceeding. But
But
it does not negate the supposed cordial
I think I played
relationship
this game before.
among the members of the
Why
bar.
did you play this game without me? For sure. Actually, it's my idea.
Magandang umaga po. I'm Kenneth from The Inquirer. This question is addressed to Congresswoman Lily Bistro.
Oh.
Ma'am, how would you describe the atmosphere of the pre-trial proceedings and what stipulation of facts, evidence, and witnesses have been established? And
I'm gonna
have been
go
executed?
chop some wood, okay?
Please understand that we cannot dwell on the merits of this impeachment trial, and that includes the details on the stipulation of facts,
Going
the
to
list
be
of witnesses, and even the marking of documents.
nighttime.
Nonetheless, to respond to your question about the atmosphere is very passionate in the sense that the prosecution is very much committed to prove its case, while the defense is likewise very much committed to prove the innocence of the respondent.
And the follow-up po. May mga records po ba sa records, evidence, or witnesses that were contended by the defense panel or were
The
stricken
wood.
from the
I don't
trial
know.
itself?
As to striking off records, no, that is not supposed to happen during
I
PTC.
don't know.
Because by striking off, you are addressing the admissibility of the documentary exhibits. And that is not allowed. That is not a proper subject of pre-trial conference. Questions about admissibility of documentary evidence must happen during the trial.
Okay, and you mentioned na gusto ng prosecution team to expedite the pre-trial conference itself, but may mga challenges and limitations. Could you elaborate on the challenges, limitations kung kailangan?
For example, today, we would like to have 3 teams for confidential fund. That is for the purpose of marking of our exhibits. Because we understand that our exhibits for Article 1 is indeed extremely voluminous.
Let me help you.
This is the misuse, misappropriation, and
Thank you, Mr.
irregular liquidation of confidential
Hot
funds. However, the defense could not agree to that, claiming that they do not have sufficient lawyers to attend on the third team of the supposed marking of